Hey everyone, Mike here from AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning. I do estimates and AC repairs everywhere in Fayetteville, and I'm able to try all of the lunch spots all over town because I'm everywhere. And I decided I wanted to share these spots with you. Today I'll be in the Murchison Road area, and I'm going to try a new place that I just heard about called Gumbo Shack. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. All right, so this is the building here. We are directly across the street from what used to be a Walmart on Murchison Road. This is called the Gumbo Shack. So I'm gonna walk in, I'm gonna try it out.
Yes, sir. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm gonna do the gumbo. What's in that seafood gumbo?
Okay, what comes to the seafood gumbo, you get crab, shrimp, sausage, chicken, and you can add oysters if you wish.
So I just ordered the gumbo. I have to stop by a house. We're installing a new gas furnace. I have to just swing by and make sure everything's going smoothly before I can eat this gumbo, and I'm going to tell you it's smelling delicious. All right, so I stopped by the job. The furnace install is going great. Everything's going smooth. I've been smelling this gumbo for the past 10 minutes or so, and I'm ready to dig in. All right, so let's check it out. Let's do a little box open reveal on this. All right, so here it is. Let's take a look. 2 pieces of bread. Okay. Got nice silverware wrapped up. Really nice. Oh, and here is the gumbo. Oh, man. That's looking really good. I actually ordered seafood gumbo. That's going to be delicious. It's got crab in there. It's got shrimp. And here, let's see what this is. We got a little rice in there to put in the gumbo. Okay. I had to find somewhere to sit to eat this. Normally I eat lunch in the truck, but this gumbo looks to be really, well, as gumbo is, it's really hot. It's like a nice steaming bowl of goodness, and you have to be able to sit down and enjoy something like that. So it came somewhere where I can sit. Oh, as soon as I opened it, steaming. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, probably not. Steaming, and it's so good. The nice thing about this as a lunch spot is we have cold weather. It's cold in Fayetteville, and this is a nice hot bowl of soup, for lack of better words. All right, I gotta show you this. I gotta show you. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that crab. Look at that shrimp. This is gonna be delicious. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. They gave me this rice, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Okay, all right, got the rice in there. I'm gonna mix it around. Get you a nice view of that. Oh, it's dripping. It's good. Okay. Let's just get a little taste of it. This spoon here. Let's get a little taste. You can always tell when somebody puts a little love in it because the broth has a lot of flavor. Some places, you know, they just throw it together instantly. It tastes like water. This isn't one of those. Let me get some of this rice with some of this broth in here. Gumbo Shack gets an A+ for me. It's the person at the counter is very, very friendly. Has a good price. Of course, a nice hot bowl of anything on a cold day is delicious, especially if it's flavored like this. From my trips to Louisiana, this is definitely good flavor. I will say that. Thank you for visiting, for watching another episode of Lunch with AC Man. I go all around Fayetteville, Spring Lake, Hope Mills, doing estimates on furnaces, heating systems, air conditioners. And since I'm always around, I get to spot all of the local restaurants. Today we went to the Gumbo Shack. Tomorrow, who knows? Visit the Facebook page. I'll always update this. If you find the videos on YouTube, of course, subscribe, and I'll let you know where the next local place in Fayetteville is. All right, have a good day.